In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for daily productivity. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system that helps you plan your day, protect your focus, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. On the left, look for other calendars and click the plus sign beside it, then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main areas of your life, like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so you can scan your week at a glance and instantly understand how your time is allocated. You can toggle calendars on and off to reduce visual clutter when you need to focus. Next, set your defaults so events behave the way you want. Click the gear icon, go into Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, such as 30 or 60 minutes to keep your schedule tight and intentional. Add built-in reminders, like one 10 minutes before and another an hour before, and pick whether you want email or pop-up notifications. This small setup prevents missed tasks and last-minute scrambling. Now time block your day instead of relying on a long to-do list. Drag to create blocks for essential work, like 8 to 9 a.m. for admin, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If something changes, just drag and resize. Leave short buffers between blocks to breathe and reset. Make routine work automatic with recurring events. Open an event and set it to repeat. Schedule weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, recurring client check-ins, and your gym sessions. If you need to skip a single instance, choose to edit only that event without breaking the entire series. Protect your focus with built-in tools. Add focus time to automatically decline meetings during your deep work windows. Use out of office when you're unavailable, so new invites are politely declined. Turn on tasks integration to place action items right on your calendar, turning intentions into time on your schedule. Keep everything in sync. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and make sure it's connected to Gmail so events from email invites appear automatically. Link your Zoom or Meet account so video details are added without extra clicks. Finally, use event descriptions smartly. Add meeting agendas, quick notes, important links to Zoom or Google Docs, and a short checklist. Keeping context inside each event reduces tab hopping and keeps your day organized in one place. Set this up once and your calendar becomes a reliable command center for daily productivity.